Alright, this is Mark Covercats of Robertsdale. I always said if something doesn't work, build a better mousetrap. This series of lag bolts and this 2x4 will be holding this side down to keep it from coming up. Now we had a little bit of a problem down here. One of the lag bolts were going through here. We were just counting on the integrity of the frame to hold it together and keep it from pulling apart. Well, double dumbass on us. So now we have wrapped this right here a couple of turns counterclockwise to turn the leading edge under so that we will not be putting a whole lot of stress on those screws. Now on this side is nothing more than a platform, basically a bar to keep this thing from sliding forward. So we'll see how this turns out. And again, I'm putting more tension on this one right here to pull it off, and hopefully this side will catch up. Alright, we'll see how that goes.
You got to yank it.
Nope.
Yank it. If you yank it, it'll go. You just keep spinning right there, you're going to have to yank it. It almost come off. Told you going to yank it. Go, 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 go.
Don't want to do it too much now.
It's coming all the way off. Got it. It's off.
All right. And that's how it's done. You don't want to